Good morning and welcome to my page called Mzansi What You Want. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Operation Dadula for your swift and courageous work that you guys have been doing in Joburg City, cleaning up the city streets, trying to make it a better and a safer place for all of us. I want to give you guys all the credit for the positive outcome. And I want to thank you guys, and I want you to know that I back and support you 100%. And I hope that what you are doing can spread to every suburb in South Africa. And I hope that you can clean up every city, every suburb, every town with your swift and courageous work. And I want you to know that all this credit comes to you for this positive outcome. So what I want you guys to ask yourselves is, why didn't this happen in the past 31 years when the ANC was in power? The ANC is to blame for the deterioration of this country, for the illegal migrants that's hijacking buildings. I want you to know that the ANC is responsible for everything negative in this country. And this positive outcome, all of this credit should come to you guys. I want you also to think about the G20 summit. The only reason the ANC is backing you guys and providing you with all the right tools to clean up the city is because they want to take the credit and they want to paint a perfect picture to the G20 summit countries that's going to attend South Africa pretty soon. And they're going to sit in parliament and take all the credit for your hard work. So I want you guys to make sure that you get the message out to all of those countries that the credit should come to you and that the ANC should get no credit for this positive outcome and the way the city is being cleaned and all this hard work. I want you to make sure that they find out and they know that the ANC has no part in this and that it's all you guys. Suddenly, all of the roads from the airport to everywhere the G20 summit countries is gonna attend, all the highways is being done, the potholes is being fixed. They are now making sure they are painting a picture to the G20 summits, which is not really the truth. They don't want the G20 summit countries to see the truth and how they are lacking in leadership and how they are lacking in responsibility and how weak and poor and bad they really are. So first of all, I want to thank you for myself and for the rest of the South Africans. All the credit goes to you guys. Thank you, we support you and we back you 100%. And I don't hope that when the G20 summit is over, I don't hope this stops or the law starts turning against you guys. I hope that the law and the government can back you all along, cleaning up the city, doing what you guys do best. Thank you very much. Peace out. Love you guys.